Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Siri in iPhone. So if you are new to iPhone and you want to start using Siri to communicate with your phone without touching your phone, like just say, hey Siri, put a call through to a certain number. Hey Siri, read my text. Hey Siri, go to Photos app and some other features like that, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily use Siri as an expert. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do to use Siri in iPhone is you first need to turn on or activate Siri. So go ahead and open your iPhone settings. Now, on your settings page, scroll down and click on Siri on iOS 18. So if you're using iOS 17 or earlier, locate Siri on search and click on that. Now, once you click on Siri, locate Talk to Siri and then click on it, or Siri, depending on the setup in your case. In this case, I'm using iOS 18, so I have Talk to Siri. So if you only have Siri, click on that. Then first thing you want to do here is you want to make sure you turn on a Siri. So if a Siri is not enabled, just go ahead and turn that on. Then you're going to see support that says enable Siri. Then you should support that says set up Siri. Then after clicking on continue, there's going to be a prompt you need to say so that Siri can recognize your voice for you to be able to use Siri on your phone. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Now, once everything is ready, you're going to see Siri is ready. Then you are now good to go by clicking on done. Then turn this on again. That is, if you press the side button, this is going to allow you to use Siri or Hey Siri on your phone. Then hit the back button. Now, you can just come down here, change your Siri's voice. So in this case, I prefer to use American voice and then voice number 1, which is thick man's voice. Then hit the back button after that. You're going to see your voice set to voice 1. Now, come to Siri responses, click on that. Here, I always prefer spoken responses. So when I say, hey Siri, Siri is going to respond by saying, or yes. So after that, hit the back button. Come here, if you want to use Siri for calls, come here, click on call hang up. And make sure call hang up is turned on. If call hang up is turned off, make sure this is turned on. Then again, come to announce calls. Here, I want to disable announce call by selecting never, so that each time you have any incoming calls on your iPhone will not announce the incoming caller's name. Then announce notification. If you want your iPhone to always announce notifications, you can just come here again and turn on announce notifications. But in this case, I don't like that because this is going to allow my Siri function to read messages to me. Then if you want to message with Siri, come here and click on message with Siri. Then here, this is going to allow you to send messages with Siri when you are on headphone or CarPlay, but this is not necessary. Once all this is done, then you're good to go. So when next you want to use Siri, you can just say, hey Siri, what's the time? Hey Siri, is today Monday?
Yes. Sorry, one more time. Yes, today is Monday.
So you see that? So that is basically how to use Siri in iPhone. So if you want to put a call, you can just say, hey Siri, call my woman on speaker. There you go. So that is basically how to use Siri in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.